Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Soblas. Shalom, shalom to all of you, all the Shalom armies, and all the asset chain. So, in this video tutorial, I'll be looking at how to import your wallet from Metamask into Okx wallet. And why am I doing this video? I'm doing this video in preparation for Shalom meme token that will be launching in Python, one of the best memecoin launchpad in Assetchain blockchain. You might want to ask me, what is Assetchain? Assetchain is a layer 1 blockchain, just like Ethereum and Bitcoin, we all know. Of course, you know, for a blockchain to be complete, there has to be other ecosystem that makes it unique, and Python is one of that product in Assetchain, which is you can launch your meme token without even writing code. So Shalom token is a meme token with massive utility that will be launching in Python, and for you to get position for that, you know, that is actually a process that will be happening on chain. So you need EVM compatible wallets. So you can use Okx, which is what our global ambassador of Indicated Chidi actually recommended. You can decide to use any of your EVM wallet, but Okx works perfectly. Metamask sometimes glitch, BitGet sometimes, you know, might not be compatible, but Okx is okay for it. So for you to start in doing that, you need, if you have wallet already on Metamask. So this video is focused on people that have Metamask wallet already, because I know a lot of us have wallet on Metamask. So you need to, you know, import your wallet. There are two ways actually you can do that, either using the seed phrase or using private key. So in this video I'll be using the private key section, so I'll be showing you guys how to do that. So if you're watching this video on X, if you go to my YouTube channel, I have a lot of videos a lot of tutorials about cryptocurrency. All right, so let's begin. All right, so you need Okx. You need to go to Play Store. All right, so if you go to Play Store, so this is just go to Play Store, and when you're there, you need to search for Okx wallet. So let's wait for the network. So when you search for Okx wallet, you see Okx Web3 wallet. So this is the one you'll be downloading. All right, so when you're done, for me, I've already finished downloading it, so it's my wallet already. So right now my Okx wallet is ready, so I just click on it and I open. Right, so what will happen is you need to allow it to load. All right, so depending on your network, so just wait for it to load and all of that. So let's just wait for it to load and open. All right, so while we are waiting for this to open, let's go to our Metamask. I have network error. Let's go to Metamask and see how we can copy our seed phrase, for those that will be using seed phrase or those that will be using private key. But in this video I'll be using private key. So I'm going to my Metamask right now. So when you actually go to your Metamask, it will ask you to put your security, and when you're in your security, the next thing you would like to do is for you to go to the setting. You click on this section here, you see your setting. All right, so when you click on your setting, all right, you see security and privacy, this section. All right, now you click on it. When you click on it, you see we have the first one, secret recovery phrase backup. So if you click on review secret recovery phrase, it will show, maybe in case you don't know where to find your secret phrase, this section can reveal it for you. Right, but that's not the one I want to use. The one I want to use is, just scroll down again, you see private key. So this is the one I want to use. This one is very similar. This one does not require you to keep typing. You know, seed phrase sometimes can be 12 or 24, but this one you just need to just copy a code. So I'll be using this particular one. I'll just click on show private key. Now you need to put your password, so let me just input my password. So you can notice I just imputed my password, and it takes me to this interface. So what you need to do for you to reveal your secret phrase, all right, you need to just click this button. You say hold to review the private key. So I will not be doing, I'll be going off, then I will do it. I revealed my my private key for security reason. I'll copy it, then I'll be able to take it back to OKX. So in your own case, make sure you secure this, because you're the only one that's supposed to see this. There are a lot of gadgets that can even scan it from maybe from online. So make sure you don't reveal this. So I'll be copying out my private key right now. Alright, so I've already copied my private key. Let me head back to OKX so I can import that particular wallet. Alright, my OKX is ready. You can see wallet, trade, NFT, N, and DApp. So what I want to do now, I want to import that wallet. I'll click on the import section here. Alright, so when you click on the import section, you click on this other one, it will ask you, are you importing with seed phrase or private key? Then you see we have 12, 18, and 24. Some of them can be 20, some of them can be 18. So already we have the cloud backup hardware wallet, but I'll be using the first one, which is this particular one. So that's the one I'll be using. So I'll click on it, and I'll go to the security tips. Beware of scam, keep your assets safe. Okay, yeah. So this is where you paste your seed phrase or your private key. So immediately you paste your wallet address, that's the seed phrase. It will ask you to put your security. You continue doing that. Then the next one is it will bring you to this page where it's asking you to select a particular network. You see, we have a lot of network here, a lot of networks here. But what you need to do here is to click on this particular one, EVM, right? So when you click on that, that's the one I want to use. The address is an EVM network address. You just approve it, click on OK. Then when you click on OK, you confirm it. Then you allow this to load. So immediately that loading was successful. It will take you to this part. That's why they said OKX is more secure, right? So you can see it just asked me to revoke all of these people, but these people I trust them, so they won't do anything to my wallet. So I'll just say maybe later. So I'll just leave it. So already I'm in my wallet. He has imported my EVM compatible wallet from my Metamask to this place. So that is how seamless it is. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how you can import all Assetchain network. You can import Assetchain to OKX, bring in CNGN, bring in ROWX, and Assetchain USDT. So stay tuned for the next video. So this is a quick a quick video for you on how to import your Metamask wallet to your OKX. So this is the wallet we'll be using for Shalom launching. So the next video is coming shortly. Thank you for watching, and I remain your boy Sublas. Bye for now.